What happens when you take America's favorite cookie, Oreo, dip it in milk, then add red wine and let it sit in a jar for a full 7 days? It sounds insane, but I did it. And what came out was something between a science experiment and a biohazard. Let me show you what happens. I started with a clean glass jar, crushed 3 Oreo cookies at the bottom. Then I poured in around 100 mils of fresh milk. So far, so good. But then I added 100 mils of red wine, Merlot to be exact. The reaction started almost immediately. The milk and wine began to separate. The Oreos turned soggy fast. Day 1, early reaction. By day 1, the jar looked like a weird chocolate smoothie, but by day 2, things started to change. The milk proteins, especially casein, began reacting with the acids in the red wine. This caused the milk to curdle. You could see layers forming, red wine floating, milk curdled in the middle, and a sludge of Oreos at the bottom. Day 3, bacterial growth begins. By day 3, tiny gas bubbles appeared. That meant fermentation had started. The sugars from both the Oreo and milk gave fuel to bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria and natural yeasts in the wine started breaking things down. By day 5, a bad smell began to leak. A mix of sour milk, vinegar, and rotten chocolate. You could literally smell the decay. Day 6, final stage. Day 6, mold spots began forming on the surface. Day 7, I opened the jar, and it was horrifying. The smell was sharp, like rotten eggs mixed with spoiled yogurt. The color turned from chocolatey brown to dark maroon sludge, and the Oreo bits had dissolved into a slimy mess. Science behind it. So what happened here scientifically? The acid in wine broke the milk's proteins. The sugar in Oreo and milk fed bacteria and yeast. Without refrigeration, fermentation and spoilage happened quickly. You basically created a toxic, spoiled dessert wine. If you're thinking of trying this at home, maybe don't. But if you love weird experiments, food science, and AI-made storytelling like this, hit subscribe. I've got more bizarre ideas coming next week. Trust me, it only gets weirder.